ripped my pants. Hey you guys, welcome back to Moto Mango. So for today we're going to be doing a couple things. We're going to be taking off my rear wheel to see if there's anything going on in my rear brake assembly. Hopefully it's nothing too bad. I'm just going to take it off and assess from there. And then I also got this new gold X-ring chain that I want to throw on just kind of for looks. But yeah, stay tuned. Cheers. I don't think that's going anywhere. Wow, that was way harder than it should have been.
That's what she said?
Okay, so a little update with my rear brake assembly. I took the whole wheel off, checked out the shoe, the hub, the brake lever swing arm thing, and the linkage arm. It's all fine, none of it's bent. I put it back on and there seems to be no rubbing, so I have no idea why it was doing that at first. Something was out of place, but it all seems good now, so that was like best case scenario. Now we're gonna I got this new gold X-ring chain that I'm gonna put on my bike, so stay tuned for that. that took me way too long to get the like 6 links off that chain. I was first grinding down the little mushroom rivets to then just use a punch and hammer it out. That wasn't working. Used the chain breaker at first, and I bent one of the like chain breaker like pins, I guess, and so then I went back to trying to punch it out for like an hour, and then gave up and went back to the chain breaker and finally got the pin out. So now I've got the chain to the size I need, so now I can actually get this thing on the bike. Holy crap, that was a process. Alright, that's gonna do it. We got it all finished. Luckily, yeah, there was nothing wrong with my rear hub brake assembly. I put it back on and it's rolling around fine, so I'm super happy about that. Got the chain on after a lot of work. Hopefully I'll be better at it next time. I don't know why that took me so long, but it was a struggle getting that chain on and getting the old one off and taking links off the new one, etc. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Stay tuned. Cheers.